special guest on this vlog directly from Brazil. You guys have seen her before. Guys,
hello.
Say hi to my friend Daniela. I missed her so much. I stayed here to see her.
I'm so glad to meet you.
Oh, so glad to see her. We're gonna have lots of fun, right, Dani?
Yes, sure.
And probably spend money we don't have.
Yes, and eat a lot.
Yes. And hello, my wife and my daughter, number 2.
After Crystal.
Yes. Look at that. Although she looks way more like my daughter than my real daughter. And Crystal should be Val's daughter, actually.
I have twins.
Of the classic, but I feel like eventually I'll have both anyway, you know?
I think I love the...
No, so here's where I'm at. Ah, how cute, ladies! I am poor now, right, Crystal?
You've been poor.
Good morning. We are going to the Bal Harbour Shops today, one of our must stops when we are in Miami. You guys know Design District and Bal Harbour. You know, I like Bal Harbour because they have Chanel. There is no Chanel at the Miami Design District. And they have a couple of other fun stores like Zimmermann that you do not find in the Design District either. So I'm very excited. It's a beautiful day. It's not too hot. So usually my hair looks like hell. I went to the blow dry bar at the Brickell City Center and look at my hair. This girl, her name is Girly. If you guys go to the Brickell City Center, you gotta do your hair with her. She made a miracle happen. Check this out. Oh my Lord. Anyway, I am poor. I already spent money at the event Cleef. I already bought a little something at Dior. Right now, I'm only buying like cheap clothes. Like there will be no big purchases. And this is just me working for you and showing you some of my candy because mama right here is not spending no money. Look at this new Fendi and look at the boots. Oh my gosh, look at this little bag. How cute is that? And it fits my phone. This one looks very comfortable, like very, very comfortable. This one is also absolutely stunning. It's on the list. Check out the gold, pink. They also have this one that I love in black, red, and yellow. Look at this. With the chain, that's very sexy. Very sexy. So that's on the list.
The size is 38 and a half.
Yes. Or 39 as well could work for me.
Look at this one. This is
Yes, that was the other one that I was looking at.
Yeah.
I cannot believe you don't have the red one.
Oh, don't cry. Let's see.
Yeah, I like it.
Yellow looks so sexy. The size is good?
This is 38, it's too small.
You need bigger.
Yeah, 38 is definitely too small for me.
The chain.
The chain is sexy, huh?
Yeah, sexy, yeah.
so sexy. Oh my gosh. It is actually quite comfortable. I was worried about that, you know? This is the one I want. Look at the mini pouches. So pretty. Please go tell Scott to buy me my Ferrari. Wow, check this out. And guys, this little set right here, oh my gosh, look at this. So cute. And look at the sandals. So we didn't go to Chanel because they were only allowing 2 people at a time. And we are a party of 3. We have been able to get into every flipping store in this mall with no problem. But you go to Chanel, it's only 2 and they don't give a shit. If you're a good customer, if you spend a lot of money there, that's freaking Chanel. That's why I hate it. You know what I mean? New Zimmermann collection. Very, very colorful. Guys, look at this dress on Daniela. Oh my, Dani, you look like $1,000,000. Now I want the dress too. Totally freaking jealous. Look at this.
Yes, it's very pretty.
Oh my
And
god.
look at with your bag.
Oh, look at that. Perfect. Dani.
I hope you
Eu acho que tem que
know.
fazer um sacrifício e levar.
I'm in love. You need it. You need this in your life. It's a Zimmermann shirt. Oh my gosh. Look at this detail. I bet it fits like a glove. Okay, price is $650, but we're gonna wait to go on sale, right? Because that's how we roll with Zimmermann, people. There you go. Well, Daniela thinks I am just chilling because my feet hurt. She can stay thinking all day. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. What about the white? Oh, you bought this one right here. Let me see. Let me show this so I can remember. Oh my gosh. There are the girls. Oh my gosh, look at this sweater from Ulla Johnson. $595, but oh my lord, look at the sleeve on this. Set from Balmain. Oh my gosh, look at the skirt and look at the sweater. Ah, to die for. Oh my gosh, this Balmain leather jacket feels like butter. I am obsessed with these 2 Chanel shoes right here. These sandals and this right here. So pretty. Oh my gosh, all Chanel sneakers. Check it out. Vamos ver, amiga? Oh my gosh, look at all the cute little singles. Ooh, look at this.
Olha, você da rosa. Vai ficar lindo no seu pezinho.
These are pretty interesting Givenchy. Check this out. This is the sale rack. Let's kind of take a close-up. Jean Vito Rossi, René Caovilla, Alexander Vautier, Alaya. Time to go home. We're done. Now we're gonna go eat because we spent all of the money we don't have. Bye.